Hello guys, welcome to Code Extreme. So today we are going to do a very easy question, ugly number, that is 263 lead code. So let's read the question. An ugly number is a positive integer which does not have a prime factor other than 235. Okay, it is a number whose prime factor are not other than 235. Okay, given an integer n, return true if n is an ugly number. Means that is a simple description. If it is an ugly number, then we have to return true, otherwise false. So n equal to 6, is it an ugly number? True, because 6 has prime factors 2 and 3 only, which are within the constraints. That's why we have returned true. For n equal to 1, it is true because 1 do not have any prime factors. It has no prime factors. Also it has 235. Also it does not contains 235. It contains no prime factor. That's why it is true. For n equal to 14, false, because 14 is not ugly since it includes the prime factor 7. So let's see the prime factors of 14. 14 has prime factors 2, yes, 2 and 7. So it contains two prime vectors. So 2 is within the constraints, within the range, within the description, but 7, it is not in the description. It is not an ugly number. That's why 14 is not an ugly number. That's why we returned false here. So how can we do this question? So its approach is very simple. How can we know that a number is ugly or not? It has prime factors 2, 3, 5. So for n equal to 6, for example, as it is given, n equal to 6, if I continuously divide it by 2, if I continuously divide it by 2, then I will get 6 upon 2 first. 6 upon 2, 6 upon 2 is 3. 6 upon 2 is 3. So now it is not divisible by 2 anymore. So I will divide it by 3 continuously. So divided by 3. So result is 1. Now if the result is 1, means that it's an ugly number. So let's see another example. For example, we take 30. You will understand by this example. 30 by 2. First we will continuously divide it by 2. Okay, so 30 by 2 is 15. Okay, now it is not divisible by 2 anymore, so we will divide it by 3, so it will be 5. Okay, now it is not divisible by 3 anymore, so we will divide it by 5. Now the answer is 1. Okay, means that this is an ugly number. So let's see an example in which it's a not an ugly number. Uh, for example 21 might be not an ugly number. So 21 is not divisible by 2. Okay, so we will not divide it by 2, but it is divisible by 3, so the result will be 7. Now my n is equal to 7. Okay, and 3 can't divide it anymore, also 5 can't divide it anymore. That's why it's not an ugly number. The result is not 1. If by dividing 2, 3, 5, if the result is 1, means that 2, 3, 5 completely divides the number into 1, means that it does not contains any other prime factors other than 2, 3, 5. That's why it's an ugly number. But here 2, 3, 5 can't divide this number completely, so we did not gain the result 1 at the last. That's why it's not an ugly number. So its code is very simple. What we will do is, first, while my n is divisible by 2, while my n is divisible by 2, divide it by 2. Simple, divide it by 2. Then we will check that if it is not divisible by 2, then it will be divisible by 3. Okay, so divide it by 3. If it is not divisible by 3, it will be divisible by, sorry, it will be divisible by 5. Okay, 5. So divided by 5. If after performing these three operations, if my result is 1, if the result is 1, if n is equal to 1, then we will return true, else we will return false, else we will return false. Okay, so one more condition. constraints are negative and 0 also. So we will write a base case for in here. If my n is less than equal to 0, means that for these numbers the result will be always be false, we know that. So this is the code. So let's run the code. So it will accept it, will be accepting all the test cases. So one another thing, we can write this in one line: return n equal to 1. If the result is 1, if n has become 1, then it will return true, else it will return false. Okay, so let's submit the code. Hope you understood the question. If you understood, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.